First, we need to install the Metamask wallet. To download it on Android, go to the Play Store, and on iOS, go to the App Store. After opening the app, go to the search section and type Metamask. From the programs displayed as search results, pay attention to the Metamask logo and name. Click on the Install button and wait for Metamask to download and install. Now click on Open to launch the Metamask wallet. Click on the Get Started button. Then, click on the Create a New Wallet button. Click on the I Agree button. First, check the I Agree to. Then click the downward arrow to scroll to the end of the Terms and Conditions. Now click on the Accept button. Set a relatively strong password for your wallet. Enter the password you created once again. You will need this password for future access to the wallet. Check the I understand, then click the Create Password button. After your wallet is created, click the Start button. Then click the Start button again. Enter the password you previously set. Click the Confirm button. Your Metamask wallet has a 12-word secret phrase. To view it, click on the View button. Your 12-word phrase will be displayed. Please note that you must store this phrase in a very secure location and never share it with any individual or company. Make sure you have written down the 12 words, as in the next step, you will be asked to re-enter them. Now, click on the Continue button. Your 12-word secret phrase will be displayed in a random order, and you will be asked to select them in the correct sequence from 1 to 12. If the order of the words is correct, the word Success will appear in green. Now click on the Complete Backup button. Click on the Done button, then select No Thanks. By default, you are on the Ethereum blockchain network, but to use the Marverse site, you need to switch to the Polygon blockchain network. At the top of the page, click on Ethereum Main Network. Then click on Add Network. From the list of networks you see, find Polygon Mainnet and click Add. Select Confirm, then switch to Network. And finally, got it. Now you will see at the top of the page that you are on the Polygon network. The POL coin is displayed by default, which is used for paying network fees on the Polygon network. To display Polygon-based Tether USDT, select the Import Tokens option and search for USDT. From the results, check Tether USD, then click Next and Import. Now Tether USDT will also appear in your list of currencies.
Email info@marverse.io. Website marverse.io.